How to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Tonkeeper-2025. Follow these instructions. Open Tonkeeper, go to Settings, and enable USDT, TRC20, so it shows up on your home screen for receiving. Confirm your Tonkeeper wallet is Wallet V5, W5, as only W5 supports gasless USDT, TRC20 transfers. Tap USDT, TRC20 in Tonkeeper, tap Receive, then copy the wallet address shown for incoming transfers. Open Trust Wallet, tap USDT, TRC20, choose Send, and prepare to paste the Tonkeeper address. Paste Tonkeeper address, choose Amount, verify Tron Network, and tap Continue to send USDT. Tonkeeper Relay covers fees, so no ton is needed. Just a small part of USDT is used to process the transfer. Wait a few seconds, your USDT arrives in Tonkeeper with no ton gas fee, and is ready to use instantly. Thank you for watching.